Hello student, good afternoon. We will start the new topic today, water vascular system of starfish or asterias. Water vascular system. The water vascular system is modified part of coelom and it consists of a system of seawater filled canals having certain corpuscles. It plays most vital role in the locomotion of the animal and comprises madreporite, stone canal, ring canal, radial canal, tides, tridements, body, lateral canal and tube feet. Lateral canal and tube feet. Madreporite is a rounded calcareous plate occurring on the arboreal surface of the central disc in interradial position. Its surface bears a number of radiating narrow striae, wavy grooves or furrows. Each furrow contains many minute pores at its bottom. Each pore leads into a very short, fine tubular pore canal. Oral grooves, central disc, mouth, arms, tube feet, pore canal. They may be about 200 pores and pore canals. The pore canals unite to form the collecting canals, which opens into an ambuli beneath the madreporite. Stone canals. The ampulla opens into a S-shaped stone canal. The stone canal extends downwards and opens into a ring canal. Around the mouth, the wall of stone canal are supported by a series of calcareous rings. In embryonic stages and in young asterias, the stone canal remains a simple tube, but in adult human of stone canal possesses a prominent ridges with two spirally rolled lamellae, which by branching become more complicated in structures. During its course, the stone canal is encircled by wide, thin-walled tubular coelomic sea called axial sinus. Ring canal. The ring canal or water ring is located to the inner side of the peristomial ring of ossicles and directly above aboral to the hyponeural ring sinus. It is wide and pentagonal or five-sided. Tiedemann bodies. The ring canal gives out interradially 9 small yellowish irregular or rounded glandular bodies called racemose or Tiedemann bodies. From its inner margins, they are supposed to be lymphatic glands to manufacture the amoebocytes of the water vascular system, Polian vascites. The ring canal gives off on its inner side in the interradial position, one side or fourth little pear-shaped thin wall. Contractile bladders or reservoirs with long necks called Polian vesicles. They are supposed to regulate pressure inside ambula, oral system and to manufacture amoeboid cells of ambular system. Radial canal. From its outer surface, the ring canal gives off a radial water canal into each arm that runs throughout the length of the arm and terminates as the lumen of terminal tentacles. In the arm, the radial water canal runs immediately to the oral side of the umbilical muscles. Lateral canal. In each arm, the radial canal gives out two series of short, narrow, transverse branches called lateral or podial canals. Each lateral canal is attached to the base of a tube foot and is provided with a valve to prevent backwards flow of fluid into the radial canal. Tube feet. As already mentioned, these are 4 rows of tube feet. In each ambularial growth, a tube foot or podium is a hollow, elastic, thin walled, closed cylinder or C-like structures having an upper C-like ampulla. The ampulla lies within the arm, projecting into the coelom above the ambularial pore, which is gap between the adjacent umbilical ossicles for the pages of the podium. Tube feet are chiefly locomotory and respiratory organs of Asterias. This is the water vascular system of starfish or Asterias. Okay, thank you.